Oh, we use it primarily for our end systems and for the when we have a new project, then we install them for the project, and we use them primarily two at a time, and they addresses the we use them as a replacement for the Cisco 2960X model, because it's kind of in line with that one and it replaces that one, and we use it. The best thing about this one is actually that it has the option of having duplicated power supplies, which is hot plug, and it has the option of stacking as well as the 2960, and we use it primarily for end host end users. That is where we use it. That is mainly is that they have upgraded the option of that we have a dual power supply, so that you have a kind of a you don't need to turn it off if you have A and B power. That is mainly one of the main things that we're using. Yeah. I don't have anything right for now.
That's fine.
8. I think it's good for end users and not for it's not in your core infrastructure, but it's for the end users, I would say.
Okay.
And a wiring closet for the end users.
Okay.
That's where I would say it should be used. Oh, I forgot one thing about the pro and cons. There's one thing that the price it's quite more expensive than the one that it is replacing. We discovered that was one thing that I would say that would kind of be negative, if I should say one thing. The positive thing is that because it has a redundant power supply, you can have users staying on for all the time. You don't need to, if you have a power interruption or something, and you have both power supply A and B, then you are option to kind of you don't need to users to log off or to they are being cut off because that you have to replace something or do something. That's kind of a pro thing.
Okay.
I would say. 9300 series, and the that is about it in this one. But others, I have the 4500 series. I work with that one but that's for the core network, and for 4331 router, I work with that one, and for firewalls, different firewalls. No, we are not using those kind of things. We use it in a classic network infrastructure.
Okay.
As we use the prior model, the 2960. Yeah, but I think that they have been more expensive to the ones that it replaces. I think that is kind of a drawback, but otherwise they offer more functionality. Of course, they do.
Okay.
Yeah, I would say more or less. Yeah. 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 Yeah, we would have to. Yeah.